I want to do something here right quick. These are all spot welded here for that cowl panel. I'll show you the easy way to remove some spot weld. Now you take your pair of side cuts like this. You just start peeling that thing back like a sardine can. That's all you gotta do. You don't gotta try to look for those spot welds, try to drill them out or nothing. Just peel it on back. There you go.
And he's been known to drink a big orange stew. Just a working man trying to save the world, one firebird at a time.